Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 18th, 2025, and we're diving deep into the S&P 500, analyzing both the latest news and the chart data. The S&P 500 is nearing record highs, but can this rally last amidst global uncertainties? Top news stories reveal a market stalling as the Fed takes center stage, with Mideast fears looming large. Trump's call for Iran's unconditional surrender adds another layer of geopolitical complexity. We'll also be looking at whether the market is overvalued and what analysts expect moving forward. Let's start with the daily chart for SPY. We see a series of candlesticks representing daily price movements, spanning from early February 2024 to today, June 18th, 2025. The recent candles show SPY trading around the 597.53 level. The most recent candle is a bit bearish. It's worth noting that SPY reached a high of 611.49 in February 2025. Zooming into the daily chart to focus on the period from January 2025 to now, we can observe a clear upward trend followed by some consolidation and choppiness in recent weeks. Considering the overvaluation concerns from advisor perspectives.com, this choppiness might signal investor hesitancy at these elevated levels. The market's momentum-driven nature, as mentioned by Yahoo Finance, could be contributing to this period of uncertainty. We can see recent support around the 580 level. A clear break below this could signal a larger correction. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular price action, especially useful for short-term trading decisions. Looking at the period around late May and early June, we observe frequent fluctuations, indicating a lack of clear directional conviction. The news about the Fed's interest rate decision and Mideast tensions from Yahoo Finance likely contribute to this intraday volatility. We're seeing resistance around the 604 level. A break above this level would likely require a catalyst like a dovish Fed announcement or easing of geopolitical tensions. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart for a closer look at intraday price movements. Focusing on today, June 17th, we can analyze the immediate impact of news events on SPY's price. The call for Iran's surrender likely introduced intraday volatility, creating short-term trading opportunities. There's support around 595 and resistance around 604. In summary, SPY is currently facing a mixed outlook. The market is near record highs, but overvaluation concerns, geopolitical risks, and the Fed's looming decision create uncertainty. On the daily chart, watch for a break below 580 as a potential bearish signal, with upside potential if SPY breaks above the 604 resistance. On the shorter timeframes, pay attention to intraday volatility influenced by news events and Fed announcements. Keep an eye on support around 595 on the short-term charts. Barclays raised its S&P 500 target to 6,050, but as seen in the news, investors are bracing for a drop later in the year, and the U.S. debt is still concerning. Both bearish and bullish events could impact the SPY price.